Hi guys, welcome to my channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing well. So today I got for repair Sony AVR Sony Home Theater. This is the model. Just want to show you the model IV300. This one. Okay guys. So we'll check what the issue in this. So the complaint of this, the customer is complaining about this. There is no sound coming in this home theater. So we'll check it out what the issue slowly by slowly, step by step. Please keep watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe it, and comments, if you have any comments, please leave it in the comment box. So guys, we'll check what's the issue in this. Keep watching my video. So guys, let's check what's the issue in this. We'll check. I'll put on the power. Put it. So we'll check it out now. What's the issue in this? I'm using this on the USB music system. I connected the music system of USB, so it's running now. So we'll check what is the issue. The volume is full, but there is no sound. See, there is no sound. I'll connect the speaker at the back. See guys, there is no sound coming in all channel. See, so the issue in this Sony IV300 is there is no sound. So this is no sound problem. See, music system is running. So let's check it out what's the issue in this. I'll put it off. I will take out this one. So we'll remove this one now. Put it off. We'll take it out. I already disconnected the screws. Okay, I'll take it out this one. So friends, there is no sound coming in this system, in this IV300 model. So let's check it out what's the issue in this. As you know, this is the power supply. There is a motherboard over here downside. This one is the motherboard downside here, and the input output board over here. And as you know, this is the power amp board. Okay, so we'll check it out step by step what is the issue in this. So I'll put on now. We'll put it on now. So guys, this is working. So I already connected USB. Music is playing. See, and I kept the full volume. So we'll check the voltages. As you know, this is the IC. The number of this IC is TIS5538. This is the digital pulse width modulator IC, and this IC can also doing the function of digital audio processing. It provides 48-bit signal processing. So we'll check the input and output voltages and signals to this IC first, because from the motherboard all data signals coming to this IC, input IC, and from this IC it goes to the power amplifier IC. So we'll check the input pin number of this IC all step by step. We'll study. Just have a look on my video. So this is the thing we made. Okay friends, now we'll check step by step. It's running now. Power is on. We'll check the step by step the input signal of this IC. So let's check this. Power is coming 3.3 volt on pin number 9. That is the 9 is the plus power supply number. 3.3 volt. See, it's coming. Power is coming. And also we'll check on pin number 14. It is also supply pin. 3.2 also okay, 3.2 okay. So friends, now we'll see the on pin number 50 also, it's also a plus B supply pin 50, pin number 50 of this pin. This also 3.2 volt. Okay friends, then high voltage also coming to this power amp. We'll check the high voltage also coming or not. See, high voltage also coming, 54 volt DC, this power amp board. So friends, voltage is okay for this IC. So we'll check the input signal, data input signal coming from motherboard to this IC is coming or not on pin number 24, 25 and 27. We'll check on pin number 24, 25 and 27. That is the input pin, data input pin. It should come. This is pin number 24. See, it's coming 1.3 volt. That is the data input signal number 1. And input signal number 2. This is also 25, pin number 25 of this IC. And on pin number 27 also we should get C1.3. So the input is coming from this motherboard, the serial data input 1, 2 and 3 all coming to on pin number 24, 25 and 27 of this IC. Okay friends, now we'll check the output is going out from this IC to the amp board or not. So we'll check the output of this pin IC. Okay guys, as you see, the input, all the input pins are, voltage are coming, signals also coming, everything is coming. Clock signal, left and right clock signal on pin number 22 of this IC. We'll check what signal, how much voltage is coming on pin number 22 of this IC. See, this is the clock signal 0.65 volt. Left and right clock signal is also coming, and on 23 also pin number 23, this is 0.72. This is the serial clock number from this motherboards. So this IC is receiving all the signals from this motherboard. Now let's check output of this IC is going out or not. We'll check that one guys. On pin number 38, 39, 40, 41, 38, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So guys, now we'll see the output signal coming from this IC PWM pulse width modulator IC coming out or not. We'll check that one. So these are the pins. 1.9 okay. There are 4. 1.9 okay. 1.9 okay. And on 1.9, these all are coming on pin number 38, 39, 40, 41. From this is going to the amp. From this pin, from here 38, 39, 40, 41. From here it's going to the input of the amp IC. The number of this IC is STA516BF. STA516BF. This is the digital power amplifier IC. These two ICs are there of same number. They are the power amp IC. So from here also same, from this pin number, from 42, 43, 54, 55, it's coming to this input of this pin. So we'll check the voltages over here. See, it's coming 1.9. Okay. Okay. And on okay. So these are the output signals going to the input pin of this input pin of this digital power amplifier IC, both IC. It means that from this IC, input and output, everything, clock signal, data signal, everything's perfect. It's going to this IC, power amp IC, but there is no sound output coming from this board. So I have full doubt these ICs, both ICs are defective. So it's getting overheated also too much. So we'll try to replace this both IC with the new one. Keep watching my video, guys. So first we will switch off this one because it's running now. You see it is running. So we'll switch off this one and we'll remove this IC. Okay, we'll dismantle now. Be careful this strip. Take out the strip, be careful. Take out the heatsink. See guys, I'm talking about these two ICs. So we'll try to replace it both IC with the new one because these ICs are getting overheated and there is no sound output coming from this IC. So we'll try to replace this one with the new one, this two IC. Okay guys, we'll remove this one. So guys, I took out the power amp board, as you can see. So we'll replace this two IC with the new one. So let's desolder this IC. So friends, before replacing this two IC, audio amplifier IC with new one, so we'll confirm some components around these ICs. These are the resistors, high watt resistors. So we'll check this one before replacing the ICs. This is 22 ohms. 22 ohms. This also 22 ohms. Okay, this is also 22 ohms. Okay, this 22 ohms, and this is 0 ohms. This is also 0 ohms. Okay, so here the all resistors are okay. Now here we'll check 22 ohms. Okay, 22 ohms. Okay, 22 ohms. Okay, 22 ohms. Okay, this is 0 ohms. Okay, this is 0, also 0 ohms. Okay, here is 4.7, this is 4.7 ohms. This is almost 5 ohms. Okay, here also same, almost 5 ohms. Okay, here some 4 resistors are there, all are 4.7 ohms. So sometimes this resistor may also become open, so we need to confirm it. This also okay. So almost all the high watt resistors all are okay. So now we'll do one thing, we'll directly replace these two ICs one by one. So I got already new ICs, two ICs. This is a new IC. The number is same as I said you earlier. The number of this IC is STA516BF. Both ICs are same as I said you earlier. So guys, we'll remove now. We'll apply a little paste. So we'll start removing now. So guys, we'll remove it out, one IC. So guys, so now we'll remove another one, another IC also we'll remove. So I remove out this one also. This IC also removed. So we'll clean the drag everything now. So now we'll install new IC. We have removed both, so we got two IC. So we'll install now new IC. So it will solder now. So we'll take care of the point, should not be shorted. So now we'll just now release all the shorted one. We'll just desolder the shorted one from this. So guys, we already soldered this one. So we have already soldered over here. Just have a look on it. It should be like this. It should not short any point. Just check very carefully everything. See, it should be like this. Okay guys, now we'll solder another one, this IC as well. So we'll take out the new one IC now. This is the new IC. So we'll fix this one. New IC. So I will solder now. So guys, we'll solder everything now. So be careful while soldering, should not touch any point, and slowly you have to remove it out, all the shorted point. See guys, I already soldered this one. See, it should be like this. And so I soldered this one. You must be very careful. So check all the pins whether they have any shorted. Some pins might be shorted, so just check with the lens so that we'll come to know and desolder this one. So now we'll fix it back and we'll check how is the condition. So we have already replaced two IC, this one. So now we'll fix this PCB in the unit. So we'll check this one, we'll put in the unit. Okay guys, so we'll put this in the unit. So guys, we have already fixed this two ICs. Now we'll put it back in the system and we will check it out. So we'll put the screws, everything. So guys, we have already fixed this one, connector, everything we have fixed it. So we'll put it on now. So we'll check, we have already replaced this IC. Now we'll put it on. So I will put it on now. It's on. So we'll connect USB. As you have seen that we have already replaced 2 power ramp IC. Now we'll check the sound. So we'll check now. It's running. See guys. So we'll check the output. Yes, this is the subwoofer. This is center. Surround right. Okay guys. This is subwoofer. Okay guys, it's running now. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed it, like it, share it, and leave your comments. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.